Some people, the automatic by choice, afraid to use their inner voice, are willing to experiment and change their environment, unable to see the unconventional world. Being who I be, but knowing what I do in my attempt to be free. My countercurrent is my nature, music, my flavor, common sense, my philosophy, happiness, my currency. They need to break the routine. Trying to be a small guy near kids. The people confused and need to obey the rules and don't know themselves and think we're the fools. They stop and the question, the logic of the listening, the color of us, never stopping to look for the relevance of the message, social pressure of acceptability of conscious conformity reveals itself easily. I can't live crazy for my own mental sanity. Say that I'm to know that I'm crazy. I don't need your plan. I make one up as I go, experimenting at my feet, never get a look at me. That's how I live, that's how I am free. No box in my life, I need to tell lies.